Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ramdan from Coding Life. Today I want to show you how to create login screen. In this tutorial we have 7 steps and I will explain to you step by step. Okay, let's check it out. The first, directory structure explanation. In this project we have 3 main folders: pages, roots, and shared. The pages folder is for all view screen. The root folder is for navigation management. And the shared folder is for a style, a custom widget, and a constant value. And the core file is for exporting a path or file. The second, login screen preparation. Add the root variable for login. And don't forget to add getPage class too. Add file for login view.dart. Then set stats widget and rename it to be login view. And export the path file in the xcore.dart. And add action trigger on preset login button with get to name it root login. Modify login view by replacing container with scaffold. The third, create background image widget. In this step, we're gonna use single child scroll view and column, container, image decoration to set up background image path. Fourth, create rich tag header widget. We add a column, and children of column, we add a rich text widget. Rename the text value. Add a padding for horizontal and vertical. Set the text style. Rich tag have children, and in the children we add a text span widget. Set cross-axis alignment to be start in order to be left line. Make a space with the size box. The fifth, create title and subtitle widget. Add a line widget with alignment center left. We add a column widget, and in children of column, we add two text. One for the title and the other for the subtitle. Between title and subtitle, we make a space with a size box. Set cross-axis alignment to be start in order to be left line. The sixth, create login form widget. In this step, we are gonna create two text fields, one for email and the other for password. And also, we will create forget password button. 7th, create login and sign up button widget. Set cross-axis alignment to be start in order to be left line. If you find this tutorial or one of my others helpful and would like to see more like it in the future, consider to support me by buying me coffee, link in description. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you back here next video.